कमांगे भाई हो गया.
This is the Planck's constant apparatus. We are provided with a wooden bench, riders, one photocell, this lens, filters set is there, and then there is a lamp house, micrometer. If you put the light through filter or lens on this, there is a reading. You can see this goes up to 500 UA. As you make the distance, how much is the reading? You can do the experiment with the different filters. You can see this green filter, blue filter, red filter. Response in the filter, experiments can be done and the readings can be taken and do the experiment. We are providing a different color of filters and all sets to perform the experiments of the sensitivity and Planck's constant, draw the Planck's constant as per your goal. Please visit our website abronexports.com and send us your requirement.